Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th maths, exercise 4.2. Students, in exercise 4.2, the questions are related to the equivalent fraction, how to convert or how to find the lowest term of the equivalent fraction. So simply students, I told you in exercise 4.1 also that how to convert it into lowest term and highest term. So for converting into lowest term, we are dividing the number by a common factor, which will be the last factor, common factor, and it cannot be divided further. Means if I am taking any number and means the fractional number and we are dividing by a common number. For example, I am taking 3 by 9. Okay, so if we want to convert it into lowest term and we will want to find the equivalent fraction, or directly we can say convert into lowest term. So what will be the lowest term? What is the meaning of lowest term? So simply this fraction 3 by 9 will be divided by a common factor. So for example, the common factor I am taking 3 only because 3 is the smaller number and 3 can divide 9 also. So 3 and same number should be written here also. Okay. So now 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1 by 3 is the lowest term. So what is the meaning of lowest term? Lowest term means this is the term in which the last common factor which can divide these two numbers are only 1. 1 can divide these two numbers and other no common factor is present for dividing this fractional number. So students, so this is called the lowest term. So we have to convert here all the questions in the lowest term and different questions are there. So let us start how to solve. So students, in exercise 4.2, see question number A. Reduce to the lowest term. We have to reduce to the lowest term and directly it is given by which number you have to divide to get the lowest term. Okay, so 5 divided by 5, 5 by 10 is the fraction. So this is divided, both numerator and denominator is divided by 5 here. So simply what we have to do here we have to only write the direct answer. So simply 5 divided by 5 is 1, 5 ones are 5 and 5 divided by 5 is 5 2s are 10. So simply students, 5 is the lowest common factor which can divide both. Okay, so that's why we have written here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the lowest term of 5 by 10. Okay students, now moving to question number 2 of question A. 3 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. Here the fraction given is 3 by 9 and it is divided by a common factor 3. So let us find the answer. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 3's are 9. So 1 by 3 is the lowest term, lowest fraction which we have received here. So in this way you can solve question number A. So now moving to question number B. Students, listen carefully. Reduce to the lowest term. We have to reduce, but by which method? By dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factor. We have to find the common factor. In question number A, already the common factors were given and directly we have divided and we have got the answer. We have received the answer, but here it is given that by dividing the numerator and denominator by a common factor, we have to find the lowest term. Lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator. So simply students, see here 2 by 10. So simply 2 by 10 is given. So see 2 by 10, if I am taking the common factor 2, can 2 be divided, can 2 divide both the numbers 2 and 10? Yes, because 2 can be divided by 2, but further it cannot be divided because we will receive 1. So simply students, division sign by 2 and here also by 2. So see students, 2 divided by 2, 1 and 10 divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10. So simply students, 1 by 5. So 1 is the smallest number, it cannot be divided further, and 5 is also a smaller number, a prime number which cannot be divided further. Simply students, by any other common factor. It can be divided, but any other common factor is not there which can divide this both numbers. Okay. Okay, don't be confused. So moving to question number 4. Now which number can be taken, which common factor can be taken, which can divide both 6 and 18. So I think 6 we should take. See why? Because if I am writing 6 here, so 6 divided by 6 is 6 and 6 ones are 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3s are 18. 3s are, sorry, this is not 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Okay, 6 ones are 6. Now 18 divided by 6, 6. 3 is the 18. So simply 1 by 3 is the lowest term we have received in 6 by 18. Now moving to question number 9. 15 by 20. So students, here we cannot take 15 because 15 cannot divide 20. Which can divide 15 and 20 both? 5. 10 also cannot divide. So we will take 5 as a common factor. And now 15 divided by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Now 4 can be divided by 2 but 3 cannot be. So that's why this is the lowest term. Okay. So now 12th question is 24 divided by 36. So students, if I am taking 2, simply it is a very smaller number. So 24 divided by 6, can we take 12 as a common factor for both? Let us try. So 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. 2s are 24 and 36 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Yes, 3s are 36. So 2 by 3 is the lowest term. It cannot be divided further by a common factor. So that's why this is the lowest term. So students, I hope question number B is also clear to you because 1, 4, 9 and 12. 4 questions I have solved for you. So now moving to question number C. Here also we have to reduce to the lowest term. Here also we have to reduce to the lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator. This is also same question, but last year it is given by their common factor. Here it was by the common factor we have to divide, but here we have to divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. The last question is different, last line is different, that we have to divide it by their HCF. First we have to find the HCF and then we have to divide. So let us find the HCF of both. So see students, 42 and 56. These are the two numbers separately. So the easiest method of dividing the HCF was by division method, long division method. So I am taking here 56 divided by 42. So 42 ones are 42. Simply 2's will be greater. So 6 by 2 is 4. 5 by 4 is 5 minus 4, 1. So now 14 divided by 42. So simply students, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are what? You can check it. 14 threes are 3, 4s are 12, 3 ones are 3, 1, 4. 14 threes are 42. So 3s are 42. So what is the HCF here? I had explained you in that previous chapter that what is the HCF present over here? The HCF is the last what? Last divisor. So 14. So 14 is the HCF here. So therefore HCF is equal to 14. And now 42 divided by 42 by 56 is the fraction and we have to divide it by 14. So simply here I am dividing it, 42 divided by 14. So simply students, here you are knowing 42, 14, 3s are 42, 14, 3s are 42. And if I am doing 14, 4s are, 14 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 56 is coming. Yes, you can read the table also. Okay, so 14 4s are 14, 14 4s are 56. So reduce to the lowest term. So this is the lowest term. Further it cannot be divided by a common factor, and we have found the HCF also by this long division method, and 14 is the HCF, and from 14 we have divided both numerator and denominator, and we have received the lowest term, that is 3 by 4. In the same way 66 by 54. But don't be confused, students. See here, this is the smaller number, this is the greater number. But 66 by 54. So see students, we have to take both number, but 66 and 54 is there. So 66 is greater. So first we will write 66 here, and then we will divide it by 54. So 54, 1s are 54 we will take, of course. 2s will be greater. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 12 and divide this 54 will be here. Okay, so 12 ones are 12, 12 is 24, 12 is 36, 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. Not 5s are, because 60 is there. So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 6. 6 we have received. Now further we will divide. What number will be there? Which number? 12. This divisor will be the dividend. 6 2s are 12. So simply students here, therefore HCF received. HCF is equal to how much? Last divisor. This 6 is the HCF. 6. So 6 is the HCF. So we will divide here by 6. So now directly the answer is 6 11th, and here 54 divided by 6. So 6 what? 6 9s 54. So 9 and 11 cannot be divided by any other common factor. So 11 by 9 is the lowest common factor here, lowest term here. So students, 4.2, it is very clear to you, I think. A, B and C, many questions I had solved for you. So please go through the video and try to solve rest of the questions. Thank you for watching.